Boom, viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because trust. If it's not fraud from King Mix Up, it's not credible. I keep on telling you that you don't know the things said, people. Bless up on yourself on that Thursday, yeah, but you know my style already, one bag of one. And I gotta keep you these updates. You see me, I say, daily. And as you see on your screen, I dropped something on my Boombai channel last night. You know what I mean? Run after 11, you see me? It looked like said Janique Brown, Shakira Richardson X. Did a tell-all interview this time. Basically trying to clear her name because you know she was made to look like an abusive lover by Weedhead. You know what I mean? And you know, so Weedhead did I try sue people and all of this stuff. You see me? So, like I said, the girl that I tell-all interview and the swing over on my Boom Bye Bye TV channel and watch that. Me, leave a link in the description or the comment section. You see me? But there's a few things we want to discuss in that video, you know. Just a few, nothing really. Baggerish, you know. Boy, I don't know what go on with that lady, but dead people them, you know. But it seems like people always about her, you know, and her daughter and granddaughter not even buried 1 year yet, you know. Well, she's back again on social media. I cuss out the crosses, them, you see me? And the one Tarrus Riley get licked by Babylon, you see me? Yes, Babylon crashing at him, you know, but the way all the media put it out is making them look like, say, him. The liquor, you see me? And you know the rest now, you know, no licking thing. Yeah, I mean, so I'm need him come for address it and let them know what I'm going for one other going. You see me? But before we get into anything else, I want to update you upon that story, yeah. We start, but just like the video them from now and share where I try reach broad audience. I will need your help in doing so. Okay, people, I have an update on you upon that girl that star. She said the owner of the establishment apologized for his employee letting the white girl take a picture and hop in her car. You know what I mean? It looked like carjacking to me. But then again, this could be a publicity stunt because, you know, homegirl, music video out and all of these things. So let's listen to what she have to say and then we'll proceed.
What I want to say about the incident is that I understand. I have a business. You didn't know who the car belonged to. You thought it was that white lady. You didn't think it was this young, sexy ting right here. But they were unapologetic. That's the real issue. That's the really issue. Like, I'm really just sad because after I yelled, you guys were laughing. And I was embarrassed. I don't like to yell. Do I look like a barbaric person? I'm a princess. This lady just ran off on the plug. I don't know what's up with her. There's something wrong with her. Y'all be careful out here. Black men protect black women. Unfortunately, it seems I gotta protect myself because not even the men that work there wanted to protect me. I don't know what's up. Oh, and guess what? They can't find the lady. The lady wasn't even a customer there. She's not in their system. That lady just, if you live in Miami, you know it's like a luxury car spot. So a lot of people, after they get their car detailed, they take.
Why? I'm a like star too, you know. I'm a one believe in that, you know. You know, I mean, I wrote for you and the music thing, you know. But why the things them people are do for attention, you know. You know what I mean? Because indeed she is Lincoln's family. And we know him a liar already. Him lie upon me already upon that idiot fixed channel there already, you know. You know what I mean? But people them ask him again if I really true, and this is what he had to say about him, family, cousin, love and business.
So everybody asks me about this cousin shit. You and Star a cousin for true? Well, let's just say it's a family affair.
Boy. Tarrus Riley is so lucky that he is working with Ramesh. You know what I mean? And he is who he is. I mean Tarrus Riley. Because you know, it's Tarrus Riley. A big time blood now dancer / reggae artist in the world. You know what I mean? And this situation reminds me of when a police vehicle collided with another Rasta man. You see me, I say, and you know what happened, you know? Them beat the Rasta man, them basically kill the Rasta man, you know? Go in their house and beat him and all of these things, you know what I mean? Because them running at him, you know what I mean? So this is why Tarrus Riley is addressing Jamaica Star News and letting them know say the police run into him. You see me, I say? But this was the article that they said police in motor collision with Tarrus Riley. Earlier today, a police service vehicle collided with a sports utility vehicle driven by an entertainer, Tarrus Riley, on Mandela Highway in St. Catherine. No injuries were sustained. However, the police car was reportedly damaged. The Range Rover's airbags were released on impact, a source close to the artist told the Star. The Ferry Police Traffic Department is investigating. Tarrus, the son of legendary reggae musician Jimmy Riley, me never know that, is known for his hit songs like She's Royal, Stay With You, and Lighter featuring Sincere. You see me, I said, and like I said, he said, bless up, fam, I'm perfectly fine, absolutely alright at the Jamaican Star, and I did not collide into any vehicle. A vehicle collided into my van. Thanks to everyone wishing me well. You know what I mean? And he said, I'm great. You see me? And that's the lion in him, you know what I mean? Because him should I tell the Star figure S himself, you know what I mean? Trying to make it look like, say, him was the perpetrator. You see me? You know what I mean? Because we know all of them people here work for the system at Jamaica, you know what I mean? You see me? But like I said, this reminded me of when the police them colliding at the Rastaman on camera. And you know what happened after that. You see me? I said, so bless up yourself, Tarrus. You see me? And I mean, just like giving an update while going from when that go on, people. Let's proceed. No, I'm not going to tell you no lie. I really hope this lady gets justice, you know. But the video you're about to see is her basically responding to a lady who posted a picture of her dead daughter and things on social media. You see me? I say, boy. And you know, the other day, the daughter's 21st birthday, you know, which the mother celebrated and things. So let's take a listen to what she has to say, and then we'll proceed. You know what I mean? And I'm talking about the mother that, you know, daughter and granddaughter were slain by this savage that you see in front of you, the Jean Dwayne Griffins. You see me?
I'm so mad right now. I have to be taking a walk just to catch my breath. You understand? I'm so angry right now. Let me say this once and for all. You see, September the 7th, a part of me died. You see, September the 9th, my soul was taken. My soul gone September the 9th. So, you see, anybody want to come for the flesh, can come for it. You understand? You have some people, they take up their phone. Oh, how are you? Oh, how are you doing? And this always the case. And this and that and ray. You understand? Just to hear exactly how you feel when you are angry, and then care back your name. You see me? Me not like y'all pitney. Me not fuck with people. As me tell you before, September the 9th, my soul gone. So anybody want come for the flesh can come for. Simply, Yannick, Brown Yannick from Upper Fort Lauderdale. You take up your blood clot phone, call me. Oh, how are you doing? Oh, this, that, Ray, Tay. And then you care about my name like nobody can beat me. No blood clot girl or boy can beat me. You understand? Me dead from September the 9th. The soul gone. So if y'all want to come for the flesh, come and take it. I am very confrontational. I don't fuck with people, and I don't hold on what I have inside. You understand? Blood clot, Yannick. Simply, you take up your bumper pussy blood clot phone. They call me. like you care and like say you are with me and care about my name and I know say people love me and go call me and tell me exactly what you say. Girl, me are no friend from Adams. Me no know you. Me no know nothing about you. Me no like blood clot. You call no wicked. You no worse than Dujan. You understand? Cause you go on like say, people, are you a friend? And you take up your phone, oh, how are you? Oh, this, oh, that, oh, Ray, oh, Tay. And then care about me name, the spread. Oh, me say this, oh, me say that. Anything my blood clot say me can't say me say, cause nobody can beat me. Oh, no, kill me. September the 9th. This is nothing. My soul gone already. You understand? Me have to walk out. Me have to walk out. Have to walk out in the road. Cause guess what? Oh no, wicked. Wicked. Simply, Yannick. Me have my lawyer money. Sue me for defamation of character. Cause you care about my name. You can't beat me. Anything me say, me can't say, me say. You understand? You call me, oh, how are you doing? Oh, how is the case? Oh, this and that, and then you care about my name to people. I'm in the middle of the street. In the middle of the street. Anybody want come can come. See, there I make a road me in. My soul gone for September. The soul gone for September the 9th. So no come for the blood clot flesh. No come for the flesh, wicked girl. Wicked blood clot girl. Only they call people bomber clot phone. Only they call people phone. To ask how they are doing. Yeah, they don't call me. Me no want nobody call me because nobody can talk to me. Yeah, mad me a mad. Mad me blood clot mad. You get me? Uno no call me phone and ask me how me doing for mix me up. You understand? From day one when my pitney dead, me talk who kill him. You get me? Anybody else who me feel involved. Me have a right to feel anybody else who are involved. But guess what? I'm telling you, say me I left it up to the law and God. God and time and the law. So you don't have to give nobody no message for me. You don't have to give nobody no message for me. You understand? Because guess what? People love me. People go call me. You can't set me up. Bumblehole Yannick. Simply, you can't set my blood clot up. Me's a mad walking woman. You understand? From them kill my pitney me, it come like me gone. This close to chip. Out of my house, me come and walk in on the road for Uno. So anybody want come, see me ya. See me blood clot ya. Uno low bomber clot me. You hear? Come for the flesh. Come for it. Come for the flesh. Cause me pay for my funeral already. Yannick love me. Low blood clot me. Cause me tell her say, me is a girl like this. Anything me say me can back it. You understand? Low blood clot me and leave me out, Yannick. Simply love me. Me not no friend, me not no body. And me alone in this. I mean, I'm nickel blood clot road in America. I wait for Uno to send anybody for come blood clot kill me. Uno put me on any social media site. Put me pan. Nothing no hurt me. Anything bloggers say about me, anything people say about me, it no matter me. Nothing no hurt blood clot me. Me here to no leave me alone. You understand? You no love me. Love me. I mean I go tell you no again. Leave me a blood clot alone. You no kill me September the 9th. So just take the fucking soul. Alright. You don't talk.
Oh, and before I forget, the lady that, the woman of CUSS said this. Me not in no back and forth with you. And all of this where you try carry up on Instagram, big woman stop company and call up my name. If you now got talk straight, you have to keep up with the blood clot followers them. Me now look no followers and nobody if you run behind me. Me and you pass up your remarks about me and me come to you. You said you wasn't addressing me, you was addressing somebody else. Me make it clear, say, you said it wasn't me and somebody else that you were addressing. Now you come on here and victimize yourself after me come to you about this situation. I already me call you about this. To address you, why you keep on. I call up my name. Why you didn't come to China funeral, but you want to take it off the social media? Big woman, but now go do this with a social media thing with you, cause it you like. Wow. Wow, I really hope this lady get closer, you know what I mean? It's a very strong lady, you know. You know what I mean? People putting in the comment section what you think about the situation. You see me? I say, I'm just letting you know what I go on from when I go on, you see me? Yeah, let's proceed. Yeah, anyway, people, I don't want to long out that one, you know, longer, you know. You don't know my style already, but I got to drop another review on my next channel. But just here, like and share over here where I try to reach broader audience, so we need your help in doing so. If you keep on watch the video and you're not subscribed yet and notification bell it, what are you waiting for? Don't you? You'll be notified when I drop the latest and dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.